Hey there! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to check your Windows version and build number. Whether you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11, this method works perfectly for both. The easiest way to check your Windows version is using the WINVER command. First, click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your taskbar. In the search box, simply type WINVER, that's Win as in Windows, and ver as in version. You'll see WINVER appear under Best Match. Click on it to open the About Windows dialog. Here's what you're looking at. First, you'll see your Windows edition. In my case, it's Windows 11 Pro. You might see Home, Pro, Enterprise, or Education depending on your license. Above that, you'll find the version number. This shows which major feature update you're on. For example, 24H2 means the second half of 2024 release. You'll also see the OS build number. This is important for troubleshooting and checking if you have the latest security updates. You can also access WINVER even faster. Press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type WINVER and click OK. This opens the same window instantly, perfect if you're helping someone over the phone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.